You're gonna be okay, baby. Yeah, you're gonna be okay. Shit. Oh man. That's what you call a street fight, huh? Crazy.
Keep me grounded as I reach higher than I see. Is there something there for me?
Morning, everyone. Foreigner Joe and Gift. Hope all is well. How are we doing? We're doing great, thank you. We asked if the lady, if she could get a hold of a vet for us to bring the vet so we can get the dogs spayed. And today, she just let us know that the doctor will be here in a few minutes to get the 2 adult female dogs spayed. We can't do that to the puppies yet because they're not yet 6 months old. But anyway, we're going to bring you guys along. Okay, so the vet just arrived. Sawadee Krap.
No, take video.
Okay. Okay, so the doctor doesn't want me to put the process on camera. Okay, so the vet gave the 2 dogs the anesthesia to put them to sleep here. And now he's transporting them over to his clinic to finish the process. Once they're done, he'll bring them back here. And of course, we'll show you when they come back. So we're going to go ahead and feed the puppies right now since those dogs are gone. We'll see how the process goes and how much it costs when he comes back, how much we have to pay for the 2 dogs. Okay, so we have some pork, hot dogs, rice, and dog food mixture. And they're over there, gives feeding those over there. Yeah, I know. Yep, she's happy. Okay, not anymore. Yeah, she eat too much, huh? Did you eat too much, huh? Yeah, what a cutie, huh? Why'd you put her up there?
He don't eat and he don't know the fighting people.
Oh, because they're fighting with her, so...
When we go the kick,
Yeah.
go here, kick, you know? Same. Oh, same. You know him, the Jai Kola, no. Kola, mani. Okay. Here, this one, and can eat together.
Yeah, they can eat together. They don't fight.
But this one fighting.
What kind of fish did they catch, Gift? What is it? Squid?
Yeah.
Squid?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Now to take care of the other 4 dogs. Hey, Ding. Come on, guys. Let us feed you.
Okay.
They love jumping on me. They scratch me every time they do.
Sit down. Sit down. Come.
Get the other food on top.
Okay, come. Okay, dang here. Okay. Okay.
There you go. They all eat from their own plates, which is good.
Pork and sausage.
Pork, sausage, rice, and dog food mixture. Pork soup.
Yeah, pork soup.
So we were just told that the vet has returned with the dogs. So we're going to go over there and pay him. And then see how the dogs are doing. Okay, so there's the two doggies. Still a little tired.
หรือล่ามหรือขางเขาไว้
2 hours for the medicine.
Oh, okay.
Walk, but
Okay, and he's giving some other medicine.
yeah, and for the take the for the know the more the can go outside no good when the diving come and when the for the take the
Oh, she will take care of him? Okay.
วันนี้วันแค่เม็ดเดียว ในกรณีที่แผลมีอาการเกิดการอักเสบคือลักษณะที่บวมมีหนองไหลออกมา
700 baht for the one dog.
Okay, so
700.
okay. So cup kun cup.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay, so they're tying the dogs up so they don't wander off into the water for about 3 or 4 hours with the anesthesia. You know, they're going to make sure they don't go anyplace. And after about 3 or 4 hours, they'll be okay. Be okay in a little while. The vet said he'll come back in 2 months to take care of the other 4 puppies. It was 700 baht a dog to have it done, so that's 1,400 baht for today, and 1,400 baht is about 45 USD, about $45. So not bad at all, really, for him to come and give them the anesthesia, to take them to the clinic to do the procedure, and then to bring them back here. So yeah, pretty good all in all. So we're happy. We're happy. We just hope that they'll soon they'll be able to drink water and eat again, and they'll be fine. We're gonna, Gift and I are gonna go pick up some sausage for them because they were good. Come back and feed them later. So Gift wanted to come out and to the beach and and guess who's here? There's Rich and Canuck cleaning up the beach. Pleasant surprise seeing them out here. Didn't realize you guys were out here. Let me pick up this piece of plastic and bring it over to him.
Your help a couple days ago was awesome, and when we got back, looking at it, it was so nice. And yesterday when we were here, it seemed like just from the high tide line down had stuff, and as you see, there's a lot of new stuff.
Yeah.
But it was spotless yesterday when we left. Yeah.
Sawadee Kap Canuck. Oh, you have a little, now you have something to help carry the bag.
Yeah, that really helps.
Oh, that's nice. Did you guys just buy that?
No, from the home in Chonburi.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Help a lot because that heavy stuff in the beach.
Gift wanted to come and check out her water shoes. See how this water, oh, this water is warm. Water is warm, huh? You see a crab? Okay.
Beautiful and give 10 piece here. Beautiful baby.
Good morning. So it's been about 24 hours since the two dogs have been spayed. So we're going to go check on them, see how they're doing, and give them a little treat. We got the big sausage for them. Hopefully they'll eat today. Last night they weren't hungry. So yeah, we're going to go check on them and check on the puppies. I don't even know if I could call them puppies anymore. They're so big. Good morning, guys. So there's the one female that was spayed, the mama. How are you feeling today, huh? How are you feeling today? Better, I hope? There's the other one coming this way. So she looks like she's still hurting a little, but hopefully she'll be okay.